Greetings everybody. This is B for another video of my series, The Garage Talk. In this series, I talk about financial education and how I think financial education is an important element into saving our community. And I'm talking about the African American communities, but also it can save anyone in any community to be better with their finances and shape a financial future for themselves or for their family. And again, I'm happy to be here. Thanks for tuning in to listen to me. So for this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of life insurance, and I believe everybody should have life insurance. If you are over 30 or you are in your 40s, please, life insurance is one thing you should have in your financial basket. So, and if I'm talking about life insurance here, I'm going to give you some of the benefits that comes with life insurance. So before I go there, I'm going to distinguish here what we call old life insurance and new life insurance. But before I develop, do you have life insurance? If you do, what kind? Do you have an old kind of life insurance or a new kind? You may ask yourself, maybe you may be wondering, what's the difference? Here we go, there is a difference. The old type of life insurance, basically you acquire life insurance that you are contributing with your premiums. Once you are no longer around, then there is what we call the death benefit that will go to your family or will go to whoever is your beneficiary. That is the old way of life insurance. That's why most people are very hesitant in acquiring life insurance, because they think, oh, so I'm just contributing to this life insurance plan, so when I'm no longer, someone else is going to benefit from my hard-earned money. So that can be a mindset for not for everybody, but some people, because even traditionally some families may think about leaving a legacy for their children, so they may as well as have something to leave behind when they are no longer around. So now let's talk about the new type of life insurance. The new type of life insurance is just a kind of life insurance that you don't need to die to be to access your money, to have actually access the great benefit that come with your plan. Okay, some may be, what do you mean by that, Beep? Yes, there is a new type of life insurance where you don't need to die, you can access your money. And that type of life insurance comes with what we call cash value. So it's just an element into that plan that is invested in the stock market to provide the dividends. And those dividends is a kind of money that you can eventually access to, for your expenses or for whatever plan that you need to have. And eventually they have some conditions here. The first condition is just how you can have access to that type of life insurance. That's why someone like me comes in. Hey, I am your dance and financial educator. So I educate people with finances. This is what I do, and I'm a licensed professional. So please don't hesitate to consult with me. My email address and phone number is there. Please don't hesitate. I can meet with you, and I can break it down more for you. So, and also this new type of life insurance not only comes with what we call cash value, it also comes with some amazing benefits, what we call living benefits. Okay, those living benefits come in the case of critical, terminal, or chronic illness. Then you can access your money to offset those expenses, because hey, you know what, life is very unpredictable. So you have some benefits like living benefits and cash value that come with this type of life insurance. And also, life insurance is not just what most people think it is. Life insurance is a great way to create build wealth, also leave a legacy for your loved ones. Have you guys heard about such families as the Rockefellers? Yes, the Rockefellers, the rich, Rockefellers family. That's everybody globally know. So basically, that family has been able to be wealthy generation after generation by basically using vehicles into a type of life insurance and create, trust fund around it, and that's really being able to protect the wealth and pass on generation after generation, of course, money to their progenies. Okay, so coming back to the importance of life insurance here, this is just to tell you guys, please, if you can acquire life insurance, talk to your financial advisor, or talk to your financial planner, or talk to me. So I'm happy to tell you the differences between those types. Okay, so now I'm gonna come back. You have two types of life insurance here. You have the term. I talk about the old one and I talk about the new one, but however, you also have two categories on those. You have the term life insurance, and also you have the permanent life insurance. Within the term, it just means a life insurance that has an expiration date. Okay, you can acquire a term life insurance for from 10 years up to 30 years. Most insurance companies offer a term from or all the way up to 30 years. All right. However, there is, as I said, a term life insurance has an expiration date. If you don't die before the expiration date, where there is no benefit to be paid. However, if you have a permanent, as the word said, self-explanatory, it's permanent life insurance. All right, so you have it for the long run, and also you are guaranteed that money will be left behind for your family. All right, and within the permanent life insurance, you can have a whole life, you can have a universal life, you have a variable life, or you have an indexed universal life, what we call IUL. In IUL, that's one of my specialty here, is to break down, help people how they can acquire index universal life or whole life. All right, I talk about a lot about index universal life just because it has this indexing strategies, and this indexing, this is where you can build wealth. All right, we are not to talk about IUL for this video, just to tell you guys, hey, please get yourself life insurance. You can leave behind, hey, if you have millions of dollars, all right, and I'm not exaggerating, you can acquire a plan that gives you death benefit of $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, maybe $500,000. Why not? And this is not something you wait upon on. You don't procrastinate on getting life insurance, because life is very unpredictable. All right, so get my email address, my phone number. Please shoot me an email. Let's talk about, and I'm gonna come back to this video. It's not the end of it, so we're gonna explain a little bit more and breaking down what's into life insurance. All right, thanks for listening to me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening wherever you are in the world. See you next time. Bye bye.